con los terroristas.
And do the Harlem Shake.
Wake up, Bird! Wake up, Bird! It's already late. I have to leave.
It's too early.
Too early? What the hell? It's already 9 o'clock in the morning. Fine, here I go. So lazy though. Whatever.
Now, what will I gonna do? What? Are you kidding? I don't even know how to open the plastic of chips.
Well, you have to. I now have my work.
What work?
I sell dress.
I also want to work.
Oh, what a miracle. You will work? Are you kidding?
No, I'm not kidding.
Okay, I will recommend you to my friend.
What work?
I asked her. Okay, goodbye. Bye-bye.
Con los terroristas.
Hello, good afternoon. I'm Shirley de las Salas from Fajardo YNC. I'm looking for Miss Projoy de la Cruz. Speaking. Oh, Miss de la Cruz, Mr. Robert Fajardo, the owner of Fajardo YNC, is inviting you to come to our company. Why? Your sister named Maylene recommended you to work now. Are you willing to come? Okay, I'll go. Thank you, Miss de la Cruz. Bye.
Con los terroristas.
Morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. What can I do for you? I'm looking for Robert Fajardo. Mr. Robert Fajardo. You must be Pearl de la Cruz. Yes. He's waiting you there. Just proceed to the interviewer's lane and he will be there. Thanks, ma'am.
Con los terroristas.
Bye.
Come in.
Morning, sir.
Morning, Miss.
Pearl de la Cruz.
Miss De La Cruz. So you are the lady that was recommended by Miss Eileen.
Yes.
Okay, please. Now take your seat.
Thank you. Sir. Here's my documents.
Can I see the documents? Okay, just wait my call and you may now go.
Thank you, sir.
Con los terroristas.
Lucy, how was your interview?
Feeling good, but I feel so tired.
Okay, eat your lunch. Hello?
Good day, ma'am. I'm looking for Miss Pearl Joy de la Cruz.
Okay, wait for a while. Pearl, someone's on the phone.
May I? Hello? Is this Pearl Joy de la Cruz?
Speaking.
I'm from Fajardo Incorporated, and Miss Fajardo says that you are hired, ma'am. Congratulations. Oh my gosh, thank you. Thanks. Okay, ma'am. Your work will start tomorrow. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Sis, I got a job. Oh my gosh.
Okay, congratulations.
Con los terroristas.
And do the Harlem Shake.